Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason, and I want to show you some short-term swing trades that I feel have potential coming up for, start looking around July 5th. So, first off, in no way am I saying to buy, these stocks or anything. It's just worth keeping an eye on. And this one, we will start off with ticker LIGA. As you can see, it broke this upper band on the Bollinger Bands. Now, this one I would kind of expect because that is a good, solid candlestick that had formed above that band. Honestly, I kind of expected maybe to take a couple short red days, but we won't know how this is gonna perform until July 5th, and we will handle it accordingly. So, the next one, ticker ARGQ. So, right here, well, back here it started showing itself, and especially right here, it went all the way up to just right under 1 cent. So, if you look right here, we have a good solid, green candlestick that had broke past this upper band, and I think that since it done this sell off right here and had this good strong band, I think over the next few trading days this will probably be a move that I will personally make. Now, do not make any trades based off of what I do. You need to do your own research and make your own decisions. I'm just throwing these things out there for you to kind of be able to have eyes on some of these tickers. So the next one, ticker HYSR. So back here it showed itself, and then it downtrended, consolidated a little bit, and now we are going back up. It closed the day just a little bit over that green band, but this is honestly the setup that I like to see the best. So hopefully in the near future we can at least take a position on this and wait it out a few days to see how this moves, and hopefully we can make 20-30% off this. That's what I'm looking for. Now, the last one, this is not a call out, but I just want to show this one. Ticker TGC. So last night when I was looking at my charts, I saw this one come up, and I was just looking at it, and I didn't put it on my video. The reason why is honestly at that time I didn't feel like honestly it had potential to really start making a run yet. But as you can see right here, and this thing shot all the way up here, hitting, and from that point to there, that's over 180%. So that would have been awesome if I was able to have gotten in that. But like I said, I didn't see potential in it at the moment. That's why I didn't even call it out. And I have no regrets. These things happen all the time. So I hope you guys have a amazing and safe Independence Day, and I will see you guys on the 5th.